inspired by the pursuit of perfection. To create something that had never been done before. The thrill of the open road, mastered on the water. A collaboration amongst top engineers in both automotive and marine industries. The perfect combination of luxury, craftsmanship, technology, and performance. This is ECLIPSE. Every curve, every detail, designed with a purpose. With a state-of-the-art factory measuring over 25,000 square feet. A workforce nearly 1,600 strong. And industry figureheads at the helm. This is more than an innovation, it's a revolution. This is the future of yachting. This is ECLIPSE.
Thank you. 2.5 years ago, just over 2.5 years ago, a whole lot of people sat in a corner and said, boy, we ought to do something that's a little bit different. All this started from scratch, from a couple drawings and a couple little chats, and now you can see how this has developed. It's real, it's here, it runs, it's a rock star, and it's just the start. Right now, as you can see, you've got entire full plants full of people, development, massive capital investment, 4 continents to make this happen. There aren't 2 on the line, there aren't 4, there are 14 at a given time, and that's just the 50. Next year this time, you'll see its big sister, the 605. So if you like what you see here, think about a lot larger and a lot more. As Steve Moynihan would say, the owner of our company, what's next? Well, what's next is right in front of you. Medium, large, and now we're bringing in more volume in easier to manage sizes, if you want to call it, in the 45, called the 455, and the 395. These are both Michael Peters designs, just like the 505 and 605. You'll see all the different little details that you see here in a sportier package. We'll be seeing release of the 455 approximately Miami of 2026. The 395 will follow 6 or 7 months later. So within our next 18 months, you're going to see essentially 3 more new models. So if you like what you're seeing now, hold on for the next little bit of time. Because as Tim Derrico would say, blink, it's Lauderdale next year. I'm Dave Jarakovic, HMY Yacht Salesman. Thank you.